Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install custom recovery and Pixel Experience Plus ROM, which is based on Android 10 on your Redmi 5A. So you can see this ROM is now running on Android 10 latest version and the security level is 5th April 2020. So it's much faster than MIUI. So don't waste time, let's boot. Here you can see now I am running on MIUI 11.0.2, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. First you need to unlock your bootloader and then you have to enable OEM unlocking from developer mode. Now let's begin. First you have to power off your phone. After powering off, you just have to press power button and volume down button simultaneously until it's turned on into fast boot mode. After turning on into fast boot mode, you just need a micro USB data cable and you have to plug your phone with your PC. Now let's come to the PC. Here you need some files whose link I have given in the description box. So first you have to install ADB driver. This driver is for supporting your phone with your PC. After installing ADB driver, you need to download Pitch Black zip file and you have to unzip it and copy the recovery.img file and you just have to paste it in the platform tool folder. I already pasted it here, that's why I replaced the file. Now you have to type cmd on file path location and press enter. Command prompt will be open and there you have to type fastboot flash recovery and the file name recovery.img and press enter. It will take a second. Then you just have to type fastboot boot and the file name recovery.img and press enter. Now you can see in your phone the MI logo comes and wait for a minute until it's booted into recovery mode. So here you can see the Pitch Black recovery project comes and then just go to wipe, go to advanced wipe and click the given files. And press swipe to wipe. It will take a minute. After wiping, you will again reboot it into recovery mode. Then you just need to install the ROM. So here I already stored into a SD card. You can also store it in a OTG. So here is the ROM and you just have to click on it and swipe to flash and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So here you can see the ROM is now flashing, so it will take some minute. So now you can see the ROM has flashed properly. After completing this process, again you have to go wipe section, press format data and press yes. Then you just have to press reboot. So again here it will take some time for boot. So now you can see I am booted into the Pixel Experience Plus ROM. So now here is your setup mode. Now you have to set up your phone according to your uses. Finally, the setup is completed. Enjoy the ROM, stay home, stay safe, and like, share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get updates.